channel and today's video we're going to be reacting to the drop sales between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we know that the Galaxy S21 Ultra has Gorilla Victors on the front and the back of the phone, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the ceramic shield. The Gorilla Glass Victors, sorry, the Galaxy S21 Ultra also has consize, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the flat edges. So this can be factors in the drop test we're about to react to. So you know what we do, phone box style, we react to phone box video. So yeah, let's keep watching.
Round number one, backdrop.
One,
in 3, 2, 1.
Backdrop. It doesn't look like anything happened to the phone, from what I'm seeing
After
here.
that backdrop, at first glance, both phones look
nothing
pretty
happened
good.
to both
The iPhone's
phones at
glass
this
remains
point in
fully
time.
intact, and the stainless steel frame did a good job at absorbing the majority of the damage. The Galaxy, on the other hand, sees the majority of its damage to that metal camera housing, but unfortunately, the S21's glass itself didn't come away unscathed. Now, this scuff mark at the bottom right here wasn't actually from the drop itself. This happened to the phone somewhere in between the time we unboxed it and prepared to put it in the machine. I honestly don't know how it happened, but it's not the best sign in terms of scratch resistance. But in terms of drop resistance, the S21 Ultra got this hairline crack near the top. It's kind of tough to see unless you
the S21 actually has a slight crack on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it here too. So the backdrop, let's say the iPhone 12 Pro Max wins this round number 2. Go in the corner drop, let's wait for the results. So it's just a side, like few scuffs on the sides of the phone, and it's actually normal. It happens in every corner drop. Nothing actually happens to the back of the phone.
Did get scratched up from that metal clip that we used to mount the phones for the corner drop. Now, we've been using that clip.
Well, my plea is that these phones are beautiful. They should not be dropping. Buy a phone case.
So, based off of that, and the fact that we had that mysterious scratch on the phone after unboxing it, it just seems like the S21 Ultra, at least in this phantom black color, isn't as scratch resistant. So for mainly that reason, the advantage goes to the iPhone in round number 2.
So round number 2, iPhone 2 advantage. Face drop, let's see. Wow. The S21 face dropped and flipped. Let's see. Hope it doesn't crack.
Face drop, the iPhone's glass remains fully intact.
The iPhone doesn't crack.
Ultra unfortunately has its glass shattered.
So the S21 Ultra, the glass is shattered. Like, what is Samsung doing?
Random bad luck, or it can be due to the fact that the S21 Ultra is significantly heavier this year, and it also has a different design. It's impossible to say which one it is precisely.
This actually doesn't make sense because last year the Notes actually survived. When I say the Notes actually survived, let's see the bonus round. Samsung, I'm not impressed with this S21 because the iPhone 12 Pro Max is smoking your ass right now, to be honest.
Last time, the iPhone passed the bonus round with flying colors without sustaining any additional damage. So let's see if the Galaxy can do the same. 3, 2, 1.
First drop.
After the first bonus drop, there's nothing new to report. The phone still remains fully functional.
It's still remains functional, but it's still cracked.
Surprisingly, hasn't gotten any worse. So we'll keep on going. 3, 2, 1. And drop. 4 drops in.
4 drops, let's see.
Continuing to spiderweb all over the front of the phone. The fingerprint scanner.
Everything still works, but like the phone is still cracked. When your screen is cracked, your phone is no longer beautiful.
Impact, that hairline crack on the back has finally gotten worse, and there's
so the crack at the back has increased,
which perfectly illustrates how once a phone is dropped and damaged, even if it seems somewhat fine, it becomes more and more susceptible to additional damage on the following drops. But nonetheless, the phone is still going, so we'll continue.
5, 6, 7.
7 drops in, and it's more of the same. Just continued spiderwebbing of the cracks on the front of the phone.
So the cracks are just getting worse and the phone is still working. So 7 drops, phone is still ugly. 8, 9.
Alright, last drop. 3, 2, 1.
10.
And after 10 bonus drops, the Galaxy is still fully
So 10 bonus drops. The phone is not fine. Everything is still working on the phone, but like when I say it's not fine, it's still cracked on the phone screen. Everything is so. If you get, let's say the iPhone's bonus round on concrete,
but this time onto the rough concrete block, and just incredibly, it survived that drop
on concrete, and it still didn't crack. It still didn't crack. Like the build quality of the 12 Pro Max is actually very bad. The build quality of this phone is actually very bad. I'm impressed. So basically, what this drop test has shown us is that the notes from last year is better, like it's more durable than the Galaxy S21 Ultra, because the note from last year, you guys have what the drop test we did last year now. The notes from last year survived these drops. Like the screen didn't crack, and this one, like the first drop, so the first drop test on the screen, boom, it cracked. The iPhone 12 destroyed it. So yeah, the iPhone 12 is actually still the champion of this round. And my advice to you, if you are getting the Galaxy S21 Ultra, protect it, because it's too beautiful not to be protected. If you don't protect the phone, it's going to, as you saw, it's going to shatter, and that's not a very good look. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.